everyone, today we will learn about prepositions. Prepositions is a word which shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Means preposition is a word or group of words such as in, on, from, to, out of, on behalf of, used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, position, time, or method. For example, at night, at breakfast. Here we will learn about use of preposition, where we will use of preposition of place and direction. First is between and among. Between is used for two and among is used for more than two. Means between is normally used with two person or group of things, while among is used when somebody or something is in a group, in a mass of people or things, or when we do not see things separately, we use among. For example, both the boys. Both means two. We are talking about two. Both the boys distributed chocolates between themselves. Here we are talking about two peoples. Two people. And next example is the men started quarreling among themselves. Here we are talking about plural of men, means more than two persons are quarreling here. So we are using here among. Second is cross. Cross means from one side to the opposite, or means shows movement through something. For example, the child ran across the road, means child is running from one side to the opposite side of the road. Along. Along shows movement by the side of something, means something is in the side of. For example, the joggers walked along the river. There is by the side of is river. Next is in and into. In means inside and into means shows movement outside to inside. In is used with the name of small town and villages also, and it denotes rest also. In is also suggests a position inside the large areas. For example, Krishna lives in Mumbai. Mumbai is a town, so that's why we are using here in. And second example is the police rushed into the building, means police is moving outside to inside. That's why we are using here into. Besides. Beside means by the side of, means के साथ. For example, I sat beside my father in the cinema hall, means I was sitting by the side of my father. By. By means near. For example, he was sitting by the fire. By the fire means he was sitting near the fire. Next example is she sits by her friend, means she is sitting near her friend. Next is under. It indicates a lower place, means for example, he is working under pressure. Under pressure is here. Under, I have already told you, under is used indicate a lower place, means under is also used for less than. For example, you cannot get it under 20 rupees. And it means also in is Hindi meaning is ठीक नीचे means the box. For example, the box is under the table means the box is lying under the table, ठीक नीचे है टेबल के. Next is beneath. Beneath means show something lower than another in position. Means here is beneath means is its Hindi meaning is tale, नीचे. For example, everything beneath the sky is man possession. Everything, the sky is on the above and beneath means down, नीचे. That is means everything beneath the sky is man's possession. Everything which is in the man which is under the sky means which is beneath the sky, that is everything is man's possession. Next is below. Below means something lower in amount or rank, etc. For example, your percentage is below 80. Below we use for rank and amount. Next is through. Through means movement from one end to the other. Means we it denotes the movement from one place to other place. For example, it is difficult to pass through bushes. Means it is difficult to go or to pass through bushes. We cannot cross the bushes. Next is in front of. In front of means opposite, means in a position facing someone or something but on the other side. Here is example. There is post office in front of our schools. Means this means the post office is opposite of our school. Next is you should not always sit in front of TV. This is an advice and this is the best example for us. This is means we should not always sit in front of TV. Means we should not sit always opposite of TV. Now prepositions of time and date. Here we are talking about first of all at. At is used for man-made time. At 6 p.m., at 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. This is man-made time. So we use at for man-made time. We use at for at noon, at midnight, at night, and we use for at for point of time means at 5 in the morning. This is the point of time. 5 is the point of time. Next is at the start of the week. This is the point of we are pointing out here week. That's why we are using here at. We are using at for period of holidays like at Durga Puja, at Gurpurab, at Diwali, at Holi. We are using at for a place like at the platform, at school. And sixth is at first, at the end, at last, at once, at loggerhead. And the last is at 15, at the age of adolescence. Means we are using all at here for man-made, for time period, and the point of time, for holidays, for place, and for at the end or first, and at the for to denote the age also. And on. Now we are talking about on. On we use for day and date, for exact time, for period of time, and for season. By means before some time. Means by we are using for also time period, but it is used for before some time, not later than. Means you, for example, you must be home by 8 p.m. means it आपको 8 o'clock से पहले घर होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन रीच देयर बाय 6 p.m. मैं उससे पहले पहुंच सकता हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम. फ्रॉम इज यूज फॉर टाइम लिमिट. Here is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. is time limit. To. To is also used for time limit, but it is used for days. Till. Till means up to. Means we have to complete our work till given time. For example, he has to work till evening. And second example is I sit in the office till 5 p.m. Next is until, not before. Means it means not before. For example, he sat in the courtyard until it got dark. Means the action continue up to a certain moment. It means the action continues up to a certain moment. For example, please wait here until I come back. And here it is given he sat in the courtyard until it got dark. And next is during. During means in the course of. For example, he used to take rest during his work. During holidays it can be, during year it can be. Next is same as in. In we use for natural time like morning, afternoon or evening. In the month we can use in the months like January, February, March, April, like this. For a fixed time we can use. And next is for. For as a period of time when the time is not exact. We use for when the time is not exact. A teacher teaches us for full 2 hours. Means full 2 hours our teacher teaches us. There is not given exact time. Same as since, point of time when the time is exact. In this, time is given 2004. For example is they have been living here since 2004. Means here time is exact, accurate. We are pointing out the time. That's why we are using here since. Next is above and over. Above, both and above, over means higher than. Sometimes we can use either of them. Means for example, the flag waved over our heads. The flag waves over above our heads. Means above means higher than, and over is also higher than. But over we can use where we cannot touch, and above is the distance between, distance is higher, more higher. And over can you also mean covering or vertically over. Means over means के ऊपर, means at the opposite side, opposite edge. The fan was directly over my head. Means that fan which is lying over means बिल्कुल ऊपर है हमारे सिर के. Now towards, to and towards. To has the sense of destination and towards of direction. If you need any help, you can always come to me. To means as far as also, and we are using toward. For example, the aircraft was flying toward Berlin when the engine developed a snag. Here we are using toward for a direction. When we indicate the direction, we use toward there. Next is off. Off shows separation. It means from the surface of or down from. Means the king fell off his horse and died. Means the king is means the king fell off his horse and died, means the king away from his horse. The king away from his horse and died. Take your hand off my shoulder, means your hand should be separate from my shoulder. We are using off there when we show separation. This is the picture for you for clarity of preposition, where we can use in, out, inside, outside, down, off, around, into, under, below, beneath, beside, in, back of, in front of, across, near, between, through, above, under, between, out, close to, in and inside, above, behind, on, in front of. Thank you.